beautiful products produced by my students using the semi-hot method. I've gotten so many of these testimonials just in this week. You can still join us by clicking the link in the description to join us. The access fee is still 5,000 naira and you get to learn more. Just take a listen to what this particular student have to say.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Lizzie. I'm staying in Port Harcourt, Rivers State. I joined Gloma just 2 days ago. So, in the Telegram group, I saw her video. I was going through her video, but this particular one was making me to. I said, that I can't wait to do it. The semi-hot method. I saw her using half a liter with 1 liter of water. I was doubting, say, it's not possible. So I could not wait to do it. So yesterday morning, I said I would try it because I'm a kind of person that I see before I believe. So I tried just half liters of oil, 1 liter of water. This is what comes from it. I have 11 bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One bar is not here because I asked my child to remove when I was in the shop yesterday to remove one and come. Let me check. So one is there. This is the leftover. So I'm so happy. I was doubting it, but I've seen it myself. I use half liter to get one this thing, and the soap weigh 50. This is the weight of the soap. Which of the soap? Let me weigh another one. This one weigh 161, and it's very strong. You can see it is very strong, very strong. Okay, thanks to our mama. Mama, thank you very much. This is the leftover. Let's test it. Look at it. It's foaming very well. You can see it with your eyes. It's foaming very well. All thanks to our mama. Mama, God bless you. God bless you. Bless you. Thank you very much.